Hello, folks. Ray Templin here, and welcome to Cooking Under the Influence. Yeah, I already know what you're thinking, but what we're going to be doing on this show is cooking under the influence of a particular culture, a country, a region, a city. Now, before you decide this is going to be too complicated, let me tell you something. I'm not a chef. I'm a musician and voice actor. I just love to cook, and if I can make the dishes we feature on this show, so can you. Cheers! Oh, yeah. That, my friends, is a Sazerac, and if you've heard of it, you know that we are about to be cooking something under the influence of the Crescent City, the Big Easy, New Orleans, Louisiana. What could happen? For this dish, we'll need 2 cups of chopped rotisserie chicken, a pound of andouille sausage, which is grilled and cut into coins, a diced bell pepper, a diced large yellow onion, 2 ribs of celery diced, a half pound of okra sliced, a bunch of green onions chopped, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, ground red pepper, Worcestershire sauce, a little Tabasco, and filet powder, which is ground sassafras leaves. Gumbo is the African word for what we call okra, a major ingredient in gumbo. This is a meal-in-itself dish as New Orleans as you can get, and with as many variations as there are cooks. Stick with me now, you can do this. You can buy okra fresh or frozen, but whichever you do, I like to saute the cut okra in a little butter until it stops threading, as they say. Okay, it's time to make the roux. Roux, you ask? A roux is the base for so many New Orleans dishes and is easy to make correctly, but it takes a little time. Add a half a cup of flour to a half a cup of peanut oil and stir over medium heat until it turns a chocolatey brown. We're cooking the moisture out of the flour, and this can take 45 minutes. This is worth the time, believe me. You know, you really should put down the drink and concentrate on whisking so this thing doesn't burn. When it looks like this, in go the veggies, except the green onions. Stir them around in the roux until the onion looks transparent. Then slowly add 2 quarts of chicken stock or water. Now this may splash at first, so be careful. Now you toss in some salt, pepper, ground red pepper, thyme, Creole seasonings, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, and a couple of bay leaves. That's it, folks. Let this simmer for 45 minutes. Yes, all those flavors are going to meld together beautifully. Now add the sausage, chicken, and green onions. About 10 minutes after that, it's ready to serve. Stir in a tablespoon of filet powder and serve in bowls over hot rice. The smell of this is unbelievable. Hey now, delicious! You're going to be so proud of yourself, especially when you realize how easy and fun it is cooking under the influence. See you next time.